So I just got in some sanding bits that go to my Dremel here. This is a 72-piece set. These have the 24-piece bullet shape, a 24-count 10-millimeter cylinder, and a 15-millimeter cylinder. 24 of each of these, 72 in all. They have a 1/8 inch shank on them, so they will fit in your Dremel. You could also use these, I guess, in a drill, but I'll be using it in a Dremel. For me personally, these will last me a very long time. I'll get a lot of good usage out of these. I'm fixing to get some usage out of this one right now. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.